I have been learning to trade for about 5 years now, and I have been trading full time for at least 2 of those. And in this video I'm going to show you all of my trading results live trading from the entire month of May. Please hit that subscribe button and let's get straight into it. So you can see on the right of my screen I have 4 pairs selected. These are the 4 pairs that I personally trade. I'm going to go through each of these pairs and show you all the trading results that I got for the entire month of May. Remember that in Forex you only trade Monday to Friday and Saturday, Sunday isn't open on the market. So we'll only actually be looking at 20 days worth of trading. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Let's start with GBP JPY. If you are serious about improving your trading, then maybe you want to think about joining Trader Edge. This is currently the best trading app on the market that is used by thousands of traders. It's super easy to use and it has saved me a lot of time and money using it. If you sign up right now, Trader Edge will grant you access to their full backtesting course. You'll also get access to a full course on making a trading algorithm worth $270. There's also a collection on there of indicators and strategies that have been proven to work. If you are serious about improving your trading strategy, then click the first link down in the description. I've drew this blue line here, it's not exact, but this is just to show the start of the month. And the first trade on the Wednesday was for 1.12%. Now, when I enter a trade, I enter 2 positions. This is because I have 2 take profits in mind. When take profit 1 is hit, the second open position stop loss will get moved to break even, so no matter what happens, I have made profit on that trade. You can either have these as 2 separate positions or 1 large position that you then split in half. We then had this trade right here for a 1.07%, and you can see take profit 2 did not hit. Then right here we have take profit 1 and take profit 2 hit. The first trade hit for a 1.13%, and then the second trade for a 2.78. So far this is an amazing month for the pound yen cross. Next here we have a little 1.32%, then we have our first losing trade all the way on the 31st of May. There was a couple potential entries during these times around here, but the market was very choppy and I don't like to enter the trades during these times. It is vital that you spend as much time backtesting as possible and you become very comfortable with how the market moves and market conditions. So here's the results for GBP JPY. We had 5 total trades throughout the month for this one pair. These zeros represent when TP2 is hit break even, but like I said earlier, I like to split my trades up into 2 position sizes. Out of these 5 trades for the month, we had 4 positive trades and only 1 negative trade here, netting us a profit of 5.47% on GBP JPY. The next pair is GBP USD. This is the pound against the dollar on the Forex market, and this pair was my busiest for the month. Straight away at the start of the month, we had a lovely setup come in. TP1 hit for a 1.28% and TP2 hit for a just over 3% profit. Then straight after that we had a TP1 and a TP2 hit for a 3.14% and then TP2 hit for a 6.41%. Absolutely amazing, and this has netted us a lot of money straight away for the beginning of the month. So these are the results for GU. We had 1 more trade than we did on GJ, but we also netted a much larger profit for a 9.32%. We did have 3 losses in a row, which is a shame, but you know, that is a part of trading. What matters is that we stay consistent and we follow our rules. From the start here, it took us all the way until the 8th of May before we had our first trade, and then all the way on the 22nd we had our first take profit. And then 2 days later on the 24th, we netted ourselves a 3.04% profit. Sadly, neither of these hit TP2, but it is what it is. Euro USD definitely was the quieter pair of the 3, but we still made a 2.09% profit for the month. And at the end of the day, profit is profit, and I'm very happy with that. Finally, the last pair on the list, Pound Swiss. Let's check this one out. From the start of the month right here, we actually only had 3 trades. The first trade being on the 3rd, which was a take profit for a 0.9%. This is lower than a 1 risk to reward ratio, which I don't exactly like, but when you're taking into account that the risk management for this trade is actually much larger because we have a TP2 in place, in that case I don't actually mind taking a negative risk to reward trade, and it did hit TP1. The second and third trade for the month both hit stop loss, which is a shame, but we live and learn. And these are the results for the month, netting me a total profit of 13.73%. GBP Chef was our only negative pair for the month with a minus 3.10%. And in general this month Forex has been very good to me. If you are curious how I trade, there is a link below, but don't worry, you don't have to buy it. I share plenty of strategies for free on my own YouTube channel. This is just something that I wanted to share with you guys for as cheap as possible, packed with as much simple, beginner-friendly information. Don't feel like you have to go and check it out. The link is below, but if you don't want to click it, then click this video right here. Go check it out.